welcome to Car DIY Repair, and today what I'm going to do is a quick video here on charging up Tesla in Ireland, and this can be pretty haphazard from time to time. So you open the back door and sometimes you can wait and the Tesla thing comes up here, doesn't it? Tap it like that, there we go. So we have to get the card, tap it, right, authorized. We want this one here, so we can pull this out. Oh no, wait a minute, start. Right, there we go. Plug this in here like so. Now we want to go to the front of the car. Want to see is it charging. And starting, please wait. Right, what does it say? Charge limit. There we go. Lovely stuff. So she's charging there now. Let's close the door. That's that. It shows there now we're 37%. We're going to have a look and see how long this is going to take. And then I will show then disconnecting the charger from the car. There's a wee bit of a knack to that. And let's close this door here. And charge limit, I have set it at 90%. You can change it to whatever you want, 80, 60, you know, but I want it at 90. And that way then, when I drive home, my dad can connect it to the nighttime charger, and usually it charges about 10% at home in his charger. So that'll get him up to the 100 and it'll be 1/3 of the price of what it is here with the ESB charging. So that's how you connect it up. And sometimes I have to say this, if there is a car charging, there is 2 ports there, but if somebody is using one of them, well, that's it, you can't use the other one. You have to wait till the other car is finished. So really, it's a bit stupid having 2 connectors there. When one's in use, you can't use the other. But it is what it is. That's the way it is. Now, in about, it'll take me, it's going to take about, I would say, an hour or so. Well, 55 minutes. There's 55 minutes remaining there, as we can see. Let's see, can we have a look. 55 minutes. So it's going to take an hour to get me up to the 90. This will be just a matter of a couple of seconds for use, and we'll see then. And I'll show you how to disconnect the charger. And there's a couple of ways of doing it. There is an emergency way of doing it as well, and I'll show you how to do it. So, the charging complete, 90%. That took 55 minutes as planned. Now, we're disconnecting. Let's see the way you have a blue T. Open the back door. Wait till it changes colour. Let's just see, it might be just coming out. Yes, it came out anyway. So, right. I was going to say this. If it doesn't disconnect itself, there's 2 ways of doing it. Clearly, I'm just open the back door, as shown. Yeah. Anyway, watch. I want to show if you're having problems getting it out, but sometimes you do. Here in the back of the Tesla, if you look, there's a string, and this here, when you pull that, it releases the charger. Yeah, see? That string there. You pull that, boom, and then it releases the port charger. Just in case anybody out there doesn't know how to do it. So anyway, hope this video was helpful to people out there. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Please subscribe, and have a good day.